Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to follow Instagram with multiple accounts. So this is my software I'm currently using to manage multiple Instagram accounts to do automation in these platforms. So first, I add account management function. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Instagram account. So you can choose the account you want in here. So you can choose the account you want in here and select the account you want and choose login to Instagram in the software. So the software will auto open the browser and auto log in to the account that I select. So you can see on the screen that software will auto open browser like this, and will also log in to the account that I select. Okay, to auto follow on Instagram with multiple account, I will go to viral marketing function. So in here I can choose many options like auto post article or auto post video reel with multiple Instagram account in software. So or you can interact the video reel. So you just have to enter the link that you want here. So the software will use the account that you have in the software to interact that to the video reel that you want. Or or you can choose seeding post. Seeding is mean you or to like or to comment to any post that you want on Instagram. Or you can choose or to comment by hashtag, or you can or to share the post that you want. You just have to enter the link in here. Or you can auto follow or auto unfollow. So in this video, I will show you how to follow with multiple Instagram account. So first, I will set up the basic configuration. The first is the number of threads. Number of threads is mean number of account running in the same time. And next, I will set up the break interval time between two actions from 10 to 20 seconds. And next, I will enter the link of user that I want to must follow. And you can choose the follow by link list or by keyword, and you just need to enter the keyword in here, or you can follow by suggestion by account. If you don't have the link of user, you can go to scan data function. So in this function you can scan follow account, or scan account by keyword, or scan article by account, or scan article by keyword, or scan account detail or detail box, or scan account comment. So by this function you can use to scan the user that you want. Okay, I will go back to the follow function. And after you have the user, you can choose the many options you want, like random selection or not follow, duplicate profiling, or bot interaction, like post or comment to the bot, and you can enter this comment you want in here. After that, I will select the account that I want to must follow. Okay, after everything set up, I restart and let the software do the work. So here you can see the software will auto open the browser like this, and will auto log into the account I select, and will go to follow with this account to the link of user that I already entered to the software. Okay, so basically I just show you how I use my software to auto follow Instagram with multiple accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me